What's going on, guys? Sean here, back for another shaving video. It's going to be a quick one because I've got to get ready for this date. So, gear. Puma 89. Rehoned this on live stream a few days ago. Going to test this edge out. Soap we're going to be using for tonight is the Cajun Blades Bon Temps Barbershop. Cannot stop using this stuff. This scent is just awesome. The brush I'm going to be using for tonight is a Qed Select Manchurian Silver Tip Badger 24mm knot. Just got this in the other day. Absolutely love this knot. It reminds me so much of the Yaki 24 knot, which is just one of my favorite knots. It's not too soft, has backbone. It's just absolutely perfect in my opinion. And then Dawn of Glory. It's going to be my pre-shave, as usual. All right, let's get this party started. So as you guys can see, I don't have glasses on right now since I've thrown in the contacts. Put them in yesterday. My eyes are nice and used to them, so should be fine for today. All right. Let's go ahead and whip up a lather here. Hope everyone's had a good weekend. Today's Sunday, March 16th, approximately 2:45. I need to leave here in about 45 minutes to go pick up my date. And Josh, we're about to find out if it's a trap or not. All right. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't a little bit nervous, but I haven't been on a date in like a year and a half, so or I should say, I've been on a date prior to. I went on a date last year, but it was with a girl I already knew. I had already been on dates with one before, so. Anyway. So, got on the scale this morning, and I'm officially down 13 pounds from when I started, so pretty happy about that. Keep doing what I'm doing and get the rest of this weight off. However long it'll take. I didn't put the weight on overnight. I'm not going to lose it overnight, so. Only thing I need to do is stay consistent. Consistency is key. So I'm really curious if this edge off of my new Suita is going to is going to feel anything like my other Suita that I have, which produces an insanely comfortable edge. Get the hands dry. All right. Yeah, I've also decided I don't like my earrings anymore, so I got rid of them. So I had them for about a year, and I just don't like. I've tried different sets, and I just don't like the way that I look at them. I thought they were for me, but they're not for me. All right, let's get this shave underway. Buddy. Woo! That's a nice edge. Okay, so I'm going to say this new Suita is... I'm going to say it's like my other one that produces a... Gosh, fantastic edge. All right. Man, it's getting hot in here. Is it just me? All right. Man, that was a good pass. Let's go against the green. All right. That's nice. Whoops, out of frame. All right. So, something I've never done on this channel so far. I'm going to whip out my DE to clean up the goatee real fast because I'm not proficient enough with my straight razor to do what I want to do with it. So I'm not afraid to say it either. Anyway, this is my Black Line Razors open comb Feather Pro blade. This is my favorite DE shaver that I own. Yeah. Man, that was a killer shave. All right. So let's go with some. There's Witch Hazel Lemon. Time check 3:03. Okay, we're good. We're good. And we are going to pair that with some Aqua Velva Musk. Man. No stinging sensation. Absolutely beautiful shave. Absolutely beautiful. All right, well, I guess while I have everyone, I guess while I'm still here, I guess I'll just put some hair gel in my hair. The blue goop. So where it likes this, slick my hair back. Like that. I don't think I could leave the house wearing like that. No, I'm not putting my hair like that. All right. Get my comb. Come on, you stubborn freaking hair. Something like that. All right. too hot. Get down there. All right, I think that's going to be it. All right, guys. Well, wish me luck. I'll catch you all on the next one. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Peace out.